ever wondered why we see lightning before we hear thunder? It all comes down to speed. When lightning strikes, it creates a flash of light. Light travels super fast at about 300,000 kilometers per second. Thunder, on the other hand, is the sound caused by the lightning. Sound travels much slower, only 343 meters per second in air. So, because light travels faster than sound, we see the lightning first. The sound of thunder takes longer to reach us. If you count the seconds between the flash and the thunder, you can even estimate how far away the lightning is. For every 3 seconds, the lightning is about 1 kilometer away. That's why you always see lightning before you hear thunder, nature's own speed difference.